the urinary system. The urinary system is the main excretory system. It consists of two kidneys, one at the left and one at the right. There are two tubes that are connected to the kidney, and they are called the ureters. They drain urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder, and then comes out through the exit called the ureter.
There are three main stages that occurs in urine formation. 1. Filtration. 2. Reabsorption and secretion.
The urine formation begins with the process of filtration, which goes on continuously to the renal corpuscle, which is also known as the Bowman's capsule, that flowing through the glomerular exit pressure. And this glomerular exit pressure is high enough to push water-dissolved substance into the Bowman's capsule. Yamfani say, "Yena yefi, say yebeye abem kwaya, yebedi kan anwa abemo, na yawo na yasone, enti the antimi ansone no, go back to the human system. Na the etimi sone yen, form as urine. Blood pressure causes filtration through the glomerular capsular membrane."
The second stage is reabsorption. Reabsorption is the movement of substance out of the renal tubulus. Water, amino acid, glucose, and vitamins are all substances that move out of this tube. Reabsorption begins in the proximal convoluted tube, the loop of Henle, the distal convoluted tube, and then the collecting duct. Large amount of water, approximately 178 liters, is produced by a day by proximal tube into by osmosis. What I mean is that about 99% of the above mentioned leaves the blood each day by glomerular filtration and comes back by glomerular tubule reabsorption.
Secretion. Secretion is the movement of substances into the urine, distal and collecting tubules. As you can see, this is the proximal convoluted tubule, and there are some substances entering the proximal convoluted tubule. And these substances are hydrogen ion, potassium ion, ammonia, and urea. As you are going downward, you can see the loop of Henle in the U shape. This is the collecting.
A drop in your glomerular blood pressure to a certain level can cause urine inflammation. Glomerular filtration normally occurs at the rate of 125 millimeters per minute. This means about 180 liters is produced by the kidneys every day.
Obviously, no one ever secreting near 180 liters urine per day. This is because most of the fluid that leaves the blood by the glomerular filtration. The first process of the urine formation returns the blood to the second process called reabsorption. This is to illustrate how urine is formed in our body. After, maybe some question. Say, Obia or Habia Johnson. Now, you send your Johnson if you form your body and sana aba outside. And yet, won't pay attention no more head, baby. You better consider this as the heart. So, Obia or Habia ewa akoma. Na yenim jumadia akoma no eye woni padua no mana akoma no eye ni padua akwabia akoma no eye ni padua akwabia edi moja ekọ ewo yeni padua sa akoma koya de moja for the upper part of our body and the lower part of our body sem akoma ide moja for the lower part of our body. Portion of the heart be a friend of inferior vena cava. Sa inferior vena cava is the use up blast and the originated blood. Echo pass through a command lungs. Say echo do lungs man. Oxygen air attached to salmojai, not abe originated. Sounds soon a happy war, the upper part of our body. the upper part of our body. Say, akumakroya edimoja ko na say organs are ewo honu so use oxygen ewo moja ni ya. Another portion of the heart I refer superior vena cava. Some superior vena cava is so the oxygenated blood passes through the heart, called lungs. Say na oxygen I attached to it, not abe oxygenated. And tisa ade blue yehun wahai. Sa ade blue yehun wahai. It means there is the absence of oxygen. Na your friend pulmonary outreach. Sa red usage na homa say there is the presence of oxygen. I don't see a friend. A typical example of an organ that receives blood is the kidney. So, blood flowing through the glomerular exerts pressure, and this glomerular is high enough to push water-dissolved substances into the bone mass capsules. And going through all this process here, the brain, what am I talking about? The filtration okay here. Glomerulus is a net-like structure. It is a son here. Bone mass capsules. It is a filtration okay. Particles may be back glomerulus. The particles may be called glomerulus ma. And then go back to the body and our blood. Now the anchor particles ma ebe brain aka nsuo no ho no. You better as urine. See, nsuo no beba as urine. Ebe pass it through proximal convoluted tube, loop of Henle, the distal convoluted tube, and then the collecting duct. Say, pass it through all these tubes here. Now I pass it through ureter, where your friend ureter. Your friend ureter. The urine then passes through the ureter.